LG Dual Cool is built for extreme heat. Here is the problem. When the outdoor temperature increases, the temperature inside the compressor increases even more because of the heat and internal pressure. LG Dual Inverter Compressor is your solution. It is built to withstand even the most extreme heat in tropical areas. LG Dual Inverter Compressor's durability has been further improved for better performance. In addition, LG Dual Inverter Compressor comes with a 10-year warranty. So relax and put your mind and body at ease.